This video is going to show you how to get books from other iShare libraries. We have a large range of libraries in the state of Illinois, all of which will loan to us through the thing called iShare. To do this, you have to start on the main Primo page, and then click upper right-hand corner, click Sign In. Do Lincoln College Login. And then you enter your email, user ID, and address, and password. If you've already signed in, it may just sign you in automatically. Then in the main search box here, click the magnifying glass, and then click All iShare Libraries. And then search for your topic. I'm going to look for a book on psychology. And then click the magnifying glass. And let's say I want this book, Psychology. You click check for available services. And here it says iShare. Click the little arrow. And it'll pop open a form that has information about the book. For pickup institution, look for Lincoln College. If it isn't already entered in here, you probably be at the bottom of the list, so you have to scroll down. Then choose your pickup location. Pickup is pickup lockers in the lobby of the library, and delivery is delivery to the front desk of your dorm. So I'm going to choose pickup. You can enter a date after which you don't need the book, and then you can click Send Request. And there it says your request was successfully placed. And that's how you request a book from other libraries via iShare.